Ka Northeastern Hill University Shillong haka arpu artarik risau arja arpu sau kalarite sekolah lengba ka Memorandum of Understanding MOU bat ki nyotli ki Kynhun ki bana bari bat ki bana ka jella ban Kyntiew ka culture haka puli puthi bat ka roi ka par jong ki nong snong ka jella ka balalong ha Golden Jubilee Auditorium NEHU building jong ka university. Ki nyotli ki Kynhun ki baka NEHU kalayte sa sekolah ki Kyntiew bat ke Indo-Korea Business Cultural Center ka ICAR Agriculture Technology Application Research Institute Guwahati, CSR Box Foundation SMEC Trust, ka Black Screen Studio INC Mumbai, ka State Cancer Institute Guwahati Medical College, ka Jets 24/7 Shillong bat ka Team Lease EdTech Mumbai. Hakanikas ngilay don lang daw Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, Vice Chancellor ka NEHU, baru Professor DP Goyal, Director ka IIM Shillong, kinohikay ka University, ringkat ki samla puli bat kiwe-kiwe de. Habakran u Professor DP Goyal uloang, pemenswa ki kena puli ki jero bagi kme ki pa ki teblot haki liang baro, kad bamentapan ki kena puli ki ong bagi kme ki pa jeng ki Kim TVA kadai namar bagi la yot telong jing tip la ne ka information na ka jingdan ka Google.
Becomes a challenge for the students that how to get them engaged and how to make them a global citizen. And that's the reason that why, and even the youngest kid may not believe their parents, because those days when we have witnessed that age, that we used to say Papa knows everything. But these days, I think that now kids, and then slowly it moves to Papa knows something. But slowly we are moving towards where we know, say, our kids say, Papa knows nothing. Because even the small kid would ask Google. He would not maybe believing the mother, but as in the past we used to believe our man. That no, mama, no, you are not right because my teacher has told like this. So we used to believe that. But these days, every small kid, even 3, 4, 5 years, would ask Google Baba. Because it is access of information. And I think that's a privilege. And that's the reason that why institutions these days, more and more, we need to collaborate. And I'm so happy to see that so many MOUs are being signed, industry, academia, and also the international organizations. Because when we want to make our citizens as a global citizens, it really becomes very important that we cannot just restrain to the only one institution knowledge or just one organization. Rather, we need to be a global citizen. That is the challenge for all of us, all the educators, all the administrators, all the leaders, academic leaders. It is the responsibility of all of us that we now, each and everything should be our student-centric and our learner-centric. I must congratulate the leaders of this university, and especially that they are going to sign, they have already signed this MOU, and the implementation, because normally many times we see that such MOUs, they remain on the paper. But I know the commitment of Professor Shukla that it is just not only signing of MOU and just to keep a number, rather implementation is really very, very important. And this is how that I look forward for the proper implementation of such MOUs, and I'm so happy that they have invited me here. Thank you so much, Professor Shukla, that you could just give me an opportunity to interact with all the students, because majority of the students are sitting here.
Nakaliang Professor Shukla uloang baka jingdon ka modern artificial intelligence technology kan yarap ban penne pensa ya ka ktien ka thliej bat ban pen urlong ki jingdawa jong ka National Education Policy NEP 2020 kata ban wanra ya lightly jai ktien ki bakan thop ya ka jai ktien nas ki than chatai lammi ngi na ki jella kari India ban na ki wei kiri jong ka perthai
and involve the NEHU students in different activities. My sister Jana Chang, first time she met me in a airport with the help of IK Sinha, and she ready to work with me and also even ready to donate, not in the form of the money, but in the form of the language culture between the two countries. Professor Dhakar, already she had taken the responsibility to sign an MOU between the Korean language and Khasi, Garo, Kyntiew along the other languages of the Northeast. And I hope with the application of modern artificial intelligence technology, we will able to protect the languages of Northeast and also will able to fulfill the requirement of NEP 2020, that is 3 languages formula: regional, national and international.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.